If you're trying to log into the WhatsApp desktop application and you end up receiving this error message which says unexpected error, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now the first step you need to try is restart WhatsApp and your PC. Now close the WhatsApp desktop application completely, restart your computer, then open the app again to check if the issue is resolved. Now to restart your WhatsApp, just go to on the task manager here on the window bar and search for task manager. Open the task manager application. Now on the process here, look for WhatsApp. Now click on this arrow here and make sure to close all the process here. So just end the task and also end the task for here. So make sure to end the task for all the process here on WhatsApp. Now after ending task, then just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, try to relaunch the WhatsApp again to see if the issue has been resolved. So restart WhatsApp and your PC. Now if you have restarted WhatsApp and your PC but you're still having again the same issue, which is this one on the screenshot, now follow the steps here again. Now check your internet connection. Make sure you have an internet connection. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily and see if the issue is resolved. So check your internet connection, and if you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily and see if the issue is resolved. If you're still having again the same issue, now update WhatsApp desktop application. You can update the WhatsApp desktop application by visiting the WhatsApp website. Once you visit the WhatsApp website, try to download the latest version and try to reinstall it. Or you can just visit your Microsoft Store website and update it from there. So make sure your WhatsApp desktop application is updated. If it fails, then reinstall the WhatsApp desktop app. Uninstall the WhatsApp desktop app completely and reinstall it from the Microsoft Store or from the official website. So this is the best fix for unexpected error that is occurring on the WhatsApp desktop application. So make sure to follow the instructions very carefully and let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you.